Greetings, friends. Welcome to CP Careers Private Limited, a leading recruitment and staffing organization wherein we believe in connecting with our candidates and with our clients. We believe in building the bond so that we have a better understanding of our candidates and our clients, and we are able to justify our role in identifying the right talent for our clients. So, friends, here we are searching for Hybris senior developers for one of our client, which is a leading IT company, and this is for Hyderabad location. So, let's go and dive into the requirement and understand what they are looking for. So, they are looking for Hybris senior developers for Hyderabad location, and experience wise they want 4 to 7 years of experience, and salary range is anywhere between 12 lakh rupees till 16 lakh rupees per annum. What is the job description? Job description is very simple. We are looking for candidates with hybrid skills who would be required to work with customers on solutions fitting customer needs. We should have an understanding of the project scope and build and test activities on the Hybris platform, and who should be ready to work on offshore on-site model. So there is no guarantee as such that you would be placed on-site, but you should be ready for that. And if you have the visa in your hand, that would be a plus point for you. So we are looking for candidates who have a bachelor's degree minimum and who should have 4+ years of experience. So what is it that we are looking for? Okay, so we are looking for Hybris commerce hands-on experience, should have experience of working with Java Enterprise Edition, Java Servlets, JSP and JSTL, experience working with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, experience with web services. These skills are very necessary, these are very important. Experience with infrastructure and deployment processes, especially Tomcat, Apache based clusters. Relevant Java, Spring and Hybris certification would be very helpful, and the candidates would be preferred who have the certifications. And the candidate should have the ability to multitask and work under tight deadlines. Now, this is a standard requirement, but that is the requirement. You should be mentally ready for that. Now, if you have an experience with global service delivery model, if you haven't already got an experience of handling some international projects, you are the man for us. And the most important thing, we are looking for excellent communication skills, because you would be required to talk to the client, you would be required to go on site. So there is no compromises on the communication skills. So this is what is required in a nutshell. And please note, if you want to have this job, please remember that you can ask for a justifiable raise. An unjustifiable raise would not be entertained. In fact, the moment you ask for an unjustifiable raise, your candidature would be rejected there itself. It will not be taken forward to the next level at all. So you may not stand up to the interview itself. Okay, friends, so this is where you have to submit your CV, and you can connect with us through this WhatsApp link. And if you have any queries, please feel free to connect with us through the WhatsApp or through the YouTube comments also. We would be more than happy to answer your queries. And would like to request you to please subscribe to our channel so that we can connect with you, we can have long-term relations with you. In fact, in my career spanning over 20 years, I have got relations with my candidates, those who are fast friends now. Some have become the CEOs of the organization, some have become, They're leading the continents for their companies, and I'm really happy to be a part of their journey. And we would love to be a part of the journey for you also. We would love to see you grow, and that is where we would love to connect with you. So please subscribe to the channel and let's take the relationship forward. It's a beneficial relationship wherein you only gain, and you gain something which is the most valuable base of one's life. Thank you, friends. Looking forward to connecting with you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.